Welcome to Turtle Rock, and that's the head of the turtle.
Ah.
But from the side, when we get back to the main trail, you will see exactly why it's called Turtle Rock. What do you think of it? Look at that beach ahead of, just behind us. Beautiful, isn't it? Oh my word.
Neil, would you mind taking a picture of us?
Sure. Okay, I wouldn't. Just one sec. Yeah. Oh yes. Look at me. Yes. Good. Okay, with your shades on.
Shades on?
Yeah. Great stuff.
Okay, will you take one on this?
Sure.